Hi everyone, I'm Laura. I'm one of Curology's dermatology providers, and today we're going to be talking about removing makeup and how to do it with Curology's new Micellar Makeup Remover. Off record, this is my favorite Curology product so far. It works so well, and it comes in this adorable squeeze bottle, so I can't wait to tell you more about it. First, we're gonna talk about why it's so important to remove your makeup. So when makeup isn't properly removed, it'll stay on your skin and clog the pores, which can then lead to breakouts. So it's super important to remove your makeup and wash your face by the end of the day, especially if you like to wear makeup like I do. One of the struggles that dermatology providers face, and I've had this experience myself, is being able to recommend an effective yet gentle makeup remover that's not too pricey and that doesn't leave residue. And honestly, that rules out a lot of the products on the market, such as certain wipes, balms, and oils. However, micellar water checks off all these boxes. Okay, now let's talk about how micellar water works. Micellar water is made up of micelles, and these are groups of specific molecules that work like magnets, attracting the dirt, oil, and makeup from your face so that it's easy to remove them. That's pretty cool, right? Curology's Micellar Makeup Remover is dermatologist designed to be the first step in your anti-acne routine. It removes dirt, oil, and even waterproof makeup so you can apply your custom formula to a fresh, clean canvas. So, what makes Curology's Micellar Makeup Remover so different? Well, for one, it's free of the harsh alcohol/sulfates that are commonly found in makeup removers. It's also got a unique, silky, gel water texture that is even gentler and skin-friendly than the average micellar water. This gel water texture breaks down waterproof makeup so that there's even less rubbing and tugging on your skin. It's safe for all skin types, including acne-prone skin, and it's safe to use around the eye area, even if you have sensitive eyes or wear contacts. And it doesn't leave residue. It actually leaves your skin feeling soft and immediately hydrated by 103%. That's right, we even ran the tests. Okay, so now let's talk about how to use it. Dampen a cotton pad with the Micellar Makeup Remover. By the way, I really like this bottle because the dispenser is able to contain it in there until you give it a gentle squeeze. Then gently wipe over your eyes, skin, and lips. And if you're wearing waterproof makeup, leave it there for about 3 seconds before wiping it away. And that's it. No need to rinse. But if you want to do a full face deep clean, then follow it up with a cleanser like the cleanser from Curology. We want our makeup loving patients to be able to remove the oil and grime on their skin so that they can apply their custom formula to a fresh canvas. Okay everyone, that's it from me. If you want to try the Micellar Makeup Remover for yourself, head on over to Curology.com and add the Micellar Makeup Remover to your box. If you have any questions about the Micellar Makeup Remover, drop us a comment below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.